originated in the Sagar district in Karnataka. It was started by the Devu community and it involves intricate patterns and geometric design.
So why have you guys chosen this art form?
Since we're transitioning from a more traditional lifestyle to modern and digitalized lifestyle, we thought it was important to bring out a rather lost art form and bring it some sort of recognition and make it more contemporary.
So traditionally, what the people did was they would paint these depictions on the walls of their homes during auspicious occasions or any festivals when they believed that the gods were descended from the earth. So to showcase the same look and feel of the mud houses, we've taken a plywood 4 feet by 4 feet board and coated it with a thick layer of POP, glue, water, wood chips, and sawdust. And over that, we've used emulsive paints in order to paint the depiction with the same terracotta color that the people use.
We chose the Kasuti art form because of its intricacy and it's not very well known. So the first task we had to tackle was choosing the colors for the installation. We went ahead with red and yellow to show the colors of Karnataka. The conical shape of each module was taken so that from each angle you can see different colors of our installation, further incorporating our concept. The mirror work was done for reflectance upon yourself as well as on the art to further popularize it.
Hello everyone, this is Chaitanya from the team Hasa Chittara. So Chittara is a well-known art form in Karnataka. It's basically a traditional folk art which involves painting of geometric patterns on floors and walls. So it was usually done by the commoners to welcome the gods on auspicious occasions. So what's the process behind our artwork? So the idea was to represent the art form using modern technologies of laser cutting and layered art forms. So the drawings were done on CAD by taking inspiration from various Chittara artworks. Later the drawings were given for laser cutting, which was done on MDF and foam boards. Our intention was to create different layers like using MDF and foam board to add depth and dimension to our artwork. So after arranging the layers, we painted the art using terracotta and white colors, which built a contrast to the work. The elephant, which is a state animal of Karnataka, is placed at the focal point of the artwork. We also dedicate our work to Lord Ganesha. Thank you.
We chose the craft form of terracotta lamp making, which is a traditional form of Karnataka. We chose this specific craft form to work with a different material, clay, which when baked turns into terracotta. We wanted to pay homage to this craft form by integrating it into our project, preserving its authenticity in a contemporary context. Our concept revolves around merging tradition with modern functionality. We designed terracotta lamps that not only showcase traditional aesthetics but also fit seamlessly into contemporary spaces. To implement this, we headed to a special place in Bangalore called Pottery Town, where people have been making terracotta pots for generations since the time of the Britishers' rule. We mainly focused on making simple yet elegant lamp designs that emphasize geometric shapes. Later, we proceeded to tie up these pots with another cultural material called jute to have it suspended from a wooden framework. The modern part comes when we add warm LED lighting to the inside of the pots, which have been painted golden color to reflect the light within a bit better. The pots are also painted outside for the aesthetic purposes and then tied up to a square framework at different heights, which is suspended from the ceiling. The lights aren't too bright nor too dim, giving it just the right amount that allows it to create an organic and earthly ambience. Now, coming to the material, the primary material we used, as you know, is terracotta, chosen for its deep cultural relevance and natural properties. Terracotta is sustainable, durable, and adds a warm rustic charm to any space. The jute for hanging is selected to enhance the natural appeal while ensuring functionality. Together, these materials reflect the essence of the traditional craft form while maintaining a modern touch.
The reason we chose Udupi wood carving is mainly because it's rooted deeply in the Karnataka traditions. And the product we try to display is by showing that, like, by sticking to our culture and roots, we can create impressive products. The method we arrived at this product is by I got the wood, a teak wood log, which was cut to the precise measurements. Then it was given to CNC cutting, where they did the intricate carvings and the finishing was done. The reason we integrated modern technology is mainly because the traditional methods take much more time and is highly expensive, and therefore we arrived at this particular product.
We have chosen clay inlay craft form to reconnect with Karnataka's cultural heritage. So, which is why we chose Sri Sveta Varahaswamy Temple, which is inside Mysore Palace, which also depicts the culture of Dasara. So, we have chosen a deity from the temple of Mysore, and we have printed it and gave it to laser, which is the base for the inlay work and which takes back to our cultural roots and craftsmanship of Karnataka's cultural heritage.